Hey Keller Williams, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to make a video especially for leadership because I know it's really exciting, all the new technology that Keller Williams is rolling out. I know the agents are going to be super excited, and I think that the agents are probably going to ask, what's next? So I came up with 3 tips to get your agents ready to rock and roll with everything being rolled out. So number 1 is to get them on Kelly Now. I know that's been a really big push. Now they have Kelly Snaps that can be shared, Sign Snaps, which takes them to their own custom landing page, which is amazing. So get them involved in using Kelly Now. Number 2 is to get them on the KW Live Labs. Those are every other Friday. You can see the schedule on KW Connect, but definitely get them to attend those because that's where they're gonna see what's being rolled out, when it's going live, and it adds an energy and an excitement about the product that's being rolled out. And then number 3, maybe the most important, is to get them to get their database cleaned up now. So we know when agents are working with buyers and sellers that moving can be a stressful time. So for agents, moving their database could potentially be a stressful time. The good thing is that if they have their database in eEdge or other platforms, it's going to be a really easy port over. However, think of the opportunity they have to call everybody in their database and say, hey, I'm super excited. Keller Williams is getting an amazing new platform, and I just wanted to check in with you and make sure that I have all of your correct contact information. They might pick up a listing, they might pick up a buyer, they might pick up an agent for your market center who's so excited about everything that Keller Williams is introducing. So I hope that these 3 tips help you with this rollout and get your agents super excited and engaged with all the amazing technology Keller Williams has. Make it a great day.